Smart India Hackathon 2025 was not just a competition for us, it was a journey of resilience, teamwork, and belief. Stemming at SIH Grand Finale at Graphic Era deemed to be University Dehradun representing our college UIT RGBB was a moment of immense pride and gratitude for us. Work problem statement ID 25027 proposed by the Ministry of Ayush in collaboration with Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell and AICT, solving a real national level problem under 36 hour non-stop hackathon just pushed us beyond our limits, technically, mentally, and emotionally. Being among the first teams from UIT RGBB to reach the SIH Grand Finale itself was a major milestone for us. The Nodal Center was exceptionally well organized, from coordinators to the volunteers to mentors. Everyone ensured a supportive and high-energy environment throughout from continuous coding to an architecture redesigns to the last-minute debugging and optimization. Every art tested our teamwork and decision-making. Team Optimizers was the real strength behind the journey. I myself delivered the impactful pitch and presentations and laid the entire presentation deck while contributing majorly into the machine learning model training and deployment of them on the website. Aman Kumar Patel worked deeply on the model training and integration of those models into the website. Rohit Lodi handled the complete project flow, front-end, back-end, blockchain integration, desktop, AWS deployment, truly the backbone and execution. Nikhil Chokse supported everyone whoever needed and kept the team organized throughout. Pragya, ma'am, a special contributor from her on the development phases and delivered strong presentations along with me. Our team leader Ritesh led the entire team throughout this journey, and a special thumbs up for him. And now I would like to mention some special thanks. A special thanks to our mentor Pragardyani, who guided us throughout those intense 36 hours with clarity and direction when it mattered the most. I also want to sincerely thanks to Mira Elefi, who guided me before and after the hackathon to keep ourselves calm and stress-free during this hackathon. She also teaches me the real meaning of these hackathons. Although we didn't beat reaching the SIH final grand finale itself, victory last, it is a thank you, and we are onward looking for more such opportunities.